Hey guys, Spectrum Math sent me this workbook, which is for 4th grade math. It covers geometry, fractions and decimals, measuring conversions, multiplication and dividing, and algebra prep. I work with a variety of grade levels, so this is a great one for some of my older kids, even if they're not in 4th grade, to work on some skill gaps. So it's broken down by, there's the lessons, pre-test and post-test enrichment, and there's a final test. The grades don't really go anywhere. I want to throw this out here too. On the pages, as I'll show you, there's a 3-digit number, like here in the upper ones. If you use IXL.com, you can put that in and it'll take you directly to that skill so you can practice it online. And there are often videos and extra practice. If you don't subscribe to IXL, you can do 10 free questions a day. So just a little thing to throw out there. So here's a pretest. I love the concept of a pretest because if you are seeing that your child from the pretest already knows a topic, you can kind of move on to something more so they don't get bored. I love at the beginning of every chapter, there's helpful definitions, and I love the color coding. I'm a big fan of color coding. It helps our brains, but here each place value is a different color. Really shows you that with your base 10 blocks as well. Some tools and tips as you go through. It's great for parents to kind of review, like, hey, this may be a different way to try it. This is why we're actually doing this, okay? Another chapter with the color coding, with the helpful definitions, with factor trees, in case maybe you forgot how to do that, and it happens. But as you go through, you can see there's plenty of work for kids to complete their math. Reviews all the time, all right? That's one of those enrichment ones. You think you can write an inverse? Go ahead and try it. And that's an example of one of those IXL skill codes. So, again, each lesson, another review, step by step, how to divide, because that is tricky. Fractions. Oh, more fractions. Word problems. Conversions, which is a big thing now. Angle measurements. Okay. Geometry. This is where those helpful definitions are incredibly helpful. And then towards the end, I won't hold you guys up, but towards the end, I love this part. I tabbed it. If you're a data nerd, which I kind of am and kind of have to be in my line of work, this is where you can put post-test scores. Do I think post-test scores are the end of the world? Absolutely not. But it's just good for you to kind of keep a gauge of, how that would play out if they were taking, a more formal test. And in the back, we have the answers. So, thank you so much again, Spectrum. And I know that they offer these for all grade levels and all sorts of different subjects. But I love how this is all-encompassing and really has a variety of ways to help you learn. And again, this is new. I didn't even know this whole thing with incorporating IXL until they sent this to me, which is super cool because as a teacher, I've used IXL in the classroom as well. Be sure to check this one out, guys. It is a great one if you need summer practice, if you're homeschooling, or just want to give your kid a little bit extra practice. They're always at a great price as well. Have a great day.